Good morning, it's Matt with 911R here, and we have this midnight blue paint to sample 84 Carrera that's ending here in a few hours. I just want to do like a little operational video to kind of show everything works on the car and it's all sorted out. So go ahead, Nate, why don't you turn the headlights on, then the high beams, there you go, high and low, turn signal, that side, the fog lights you can see it working. Let's do the windshield wipers. Wipers, okay, turn them off. Sunroof. Sunroof, close it. All right, let's do rear wiper. Rear wiper's working, there we go. All right, come around to the back and we have the parking lights are on now. Hit the brakes. Brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal. There we go. And let's come over and let's roll both the windows up. There's the passenger window going up. And the driver one next. And come back around over here. So again, this car is a leather package car. So you got leather seats and leather dash. There's some shrinking on the dash like we talked about. This car has a new stereo in it. The shift coupler's been rebuilt, and so it shifts really nice on it in the car. The gauge is all nice and crystal clear. The leather wrapped steering wheel is in good shape. The headliner is really good, but let's zoom in here. The headliner cover on the sunroof has a little bit of sagging on it. And upholstery shop can fix that pretty easily. That's rather minor. But you know, the back carpet and the rear seats, the fold down seats, all the seat belts are in good shape. The carpet's in nice shape. The door card's in nice shape. It's got, you know, period correct style speakers in it. The stereo sounds good in it. Let's go around and open up the engine bay so we can just see how tidy it is. So obviously somebody's put new spark plug wires on it. They're high quality ones. We did a compression test on the car. It was really good on it. Engine bay is very nice and tidy. These 352 Motronic Carrera engines are really, you know, some of the best 911 air-cooled motors. They're very strong and stout and peppy. This being a rest-of-world car, you get a little more horsepower than a stock one. I also really like that this car is not an appearance package car, which means it doesn't have the big Carrera tail or the front balance. I think it gives it a little more period correct look and style. The Fuchs wheels are in great shape. Very recent tires on the car. I want to open the trunk and show we got a complete toolkit. We got 2 spare belts. You know, something you never ever see is the Porsche air pressure gauge. I mean, you just never see them. Maybe that's not a U.S. option thing. It's the rest of the world stuff. The air compressor, the triangle flares, again, something you don't get in the U.S. But the other reason you can tell this car is a paint to sample car is you have this ID plate over here, and you have the 999, which means that's a paint to sample code. Also has a sticker up underneath the hood. Real rare, it's fine on 84 Carrera. Usually you don't find that till you get to 964s. But underneath the front is really nice and tidy. The carpet's all good. The spare tire is good. No damage down below. Good car. Really rare paint to sample car. I looked it up on Rainbow. Couldn't even find this color. I mean, so I don't know how many paint cans is that if you can't find it. But any questions or anything, use the contact seller button. If you need shipping quote, we're happy to do that. And also, if you're interested in 911R representing your car, hit us up and we'll see what we can do to help you out. Thank you very much and good luck.